Welcome to lesson 4 of our writing series. In this video, you will learn the main structure of a paragraph, why each part is important, and how they work together. What you will learn: 1. What is a paragraph? 2. 4 key parts: title, topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. 3. Step-by-step structure. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences that talk about one topic. It usually has 4 main parts. 1. Paragraph title. It tells the reader what the paragraph is about. 2. Topic sentence. It shows the main idea of the paragraph. 3. Supporting sentences. This gives more information or example. 4. Concluding sentence. This is the last sentence that ends the paragraph clearly. All of these parts work together to make your paragraph clear and strong. Example paragraph. Title: My favorite hobbies. Topic sentence: My favorite hobbies is drawing. Supporting sentence: I started drawing when I was 5 years old. I enjoy drawing animals, people, and nature. I practice every day to get better. Concluding sentence: Drawing makes me feel relaxed and happy. Here is the full example of the paragraph. My favorite hobbies. My favorite hobbies is drawing. I started to draw when I was 5 years old. I enjoy drawings, animals, people, and nature. I practice every day to get it better. Drawing makes me feel relaxed and happy. Did you learn something new? Comment your own paragraph idea below. Subscribe for the next lesson. Share this with a friend learning to write. Thank you.